Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to search a friend on Spotify. And in this video, you'll learn the easiest way to find and connect with your friends on Spotify. Now let's get started. Step 1. First thing first, pick up your phone and open the Spotify app. Make sure you are logged into the correct account, as searching for friends only works if you are signed in properly. And this ensures you can follow and view their playlists without any issues. Step 2. Within the app menu, you can see the search icon located at the bottom of the screen. Click on it to open the search menu. This is important because the search feature allows you to find any user, artist, or playlist on Spotify quickly. Step 3. In the search bar, type your friend's name. For example, I can type the name Ryan and then press search. This step is essential because Spotify shows all relevant results based on the name you enter, helping you narrow down the profiles you want to find. Step 4. After searching, you will see various categories at the top of the screen. Select the Profile option, and then you can see all profiles listed there. Scroll through the profiles carefully, and choose your friend's profile picture to open their Spotify account. This ensures you are following the correct person. Step 5. Once you are on your friend's profile menu, make sure to click the Follow button. Following their profile allows you to easily access their playlists, shared music, and recently played tracks, which is a great way to stay connected and discover new music together. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.